So what is editor's role in the storytelling process? An editor is somebody who could create the real magic when it comes to the entire storytelling process. Many say that film has three stories. There's the story that the writer or somebody who conceives, and there's the story you shoot on camera, and there's this story that you edit. So each of these has tremendous changes on how the story is shaped, and each also contains a certain structure, but also has a freedom of expression in the creation process. When it comes to editing, it's the process with a number of very important visions. So there is this writer's vision, and there is this director's vision. There's the vision of the director in the production process and the entire team who are into production. And there is this editor's vision that materializes into post-production. So each of these creative team members takes the vision of others together as a team, and they use them to shape their own approach, and the ultimate vision is projected onto the theater or the screen. So if we are talking about documentary style or unscripted material out there, the process could be different, but we'll be talking about that particular aspect of editing too. So in the forms of storytelling, we talked about in the previous movie, or the oral way of storytelling, the visual, the written, the performed way. So none of them has quite the level of collaboration that filmmaking does. So when it comes to the writer, the producer, the director, cinematographer, and the editor, they all contribute different parts of story in different ways. So we will try and explore you as an editor, what it takes to extremely going through the interesting possibilities. So it is the role of the editor that we are really going to dig into this particular course. So we will exactly do what the editor does, and we will also find out how to assemble the raw materials together and put a beautiful story to project out there. So without the editor, there would be just mountain of footage, nothing to be hold it together. So editor's job is, it's much more. We must also judge when searching for the best shots. We have to know which one to pick up. Often when a scene is shot through multiple cameras, multiple angles in different times, we will also learn what each shot contains, and we will also try and explore different kind of emotions out there, what kind of results the other person will achieve. So we must know when to use a long shot, when to use a bit shot, and we will provide context and relationships between people and the environment, and we will also turn up to the close-ups to heighten the emotion and provide you the details when it comes to editing. So you must understand how timing and pacing fits with the context of each series of shots within which the scene plays out. So the editor must know when to tighten up the edits to sharpen the scene, or when to loosen up the space between the edits so that the scene can breathe. So we therefore, as storytellers, we have the appropriate tools in order to compress and expand time, and we must also know the rules of editing. So to break the rules, you must know the rules of editing. So we should know when to follow the rules, and we should also know when to break them. Again, we'll be exploring these elements of the editing process, and in the next chapter, before we jump in, before we explore the important topics that editors must consider every single day, let's learn the ethics of this particular craft. And I wanted you to submit the assignment as your YouTube channel or any social media channel link as per the Linktree Instagram tool which I've shared. Share all your links in the comments below, and we'll take it forward from there. So share all your public channels. I'll see you in the next video.